In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your birthday on LinkedIn. This is a useful feature for maintaining your privacy, as not everyone is comfortable having their birthday visible to their network. Whether you prefer to keep your personal details private or you simply want to manage what LinkedIn shares with others, this quick tutorial will guide you through each step of the process. First, head over to LinkedIn's website and sign in to your account. You'll see the homepage appear as soon as you log in. At the top right corner of LinkedIn's interface, you'll notice your profile icon. Click on this icon. It's essential to start at your profile page because that's where we'll make the necessary adjustments. Once you've clicked your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select View Profile. This will take you to your personal profile page where all your details, accomplishments and connections are neatly displayed. On your profile page, look for a small pencil icon. This represents the option to edit your profile. Click this pencil icon to enter edit mode, where you can make changes to many aspects of your profile, including your contact info. Now, scroll down a bit to locate the Edit Contact Info section and click on it. Here, you can adjust various personal details, including your birthday. This is where we will focus our attention next. Within the Contact Info section, keep scrolling until you reach the birthday field. By default, LinkedIn often shows this to your connections, but you have the ability to change this. Directly beside your birthday, you'll find a small eye icon, which is key to modifying who can see your birthday. Click on the eye icon, and a menu will pop up showing you visibility options. To make your birthday private, select Only You. This option ensures that your birthday remains visible only to you and hidden from everyone else on LinkedIn. Finally, after you have selected who can view your birthday, remember to click on the Save button. This step is crucial as it confirms all the changes you've made. By saving, you ensure that your new privacy settings are updated and set exactly as you desire. And there you have it. You've successfully hidden your birthday on LinkedIn, allowing you to have more control over what personal information is visible to your network. Always remember to review your settings to maintain the level of privacy you are comfortable with. If you have other details to secure, feel free to explore LinkedIn's settings. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on managing your online presence.